Hi everyone, my name is Karen, and by profession I work as a dental technician for over the last 15 years. But in 2018 I did something that completely changed my life. I decided to move my career online and I became an internet-based business owner.
I have been in the banking and lending industry for the last 20 years, and currently I hold a full-time position as a loan processor, and I own my own successful digital business.
My name is Katrina. I am coming to you from sunny Southern California. I am a daughter, a wife, and a mother to 3 munchkins. Camden, Brooklyn, and Taylor.
My name is Tammy Shuchak, and I'm a mom of 3 boys, and I live in beautiful Chilliwack, BC. This is the Better River.
Hello everybody, my name is Wendy Noble and I live in Brisbane, Australia. I'm a mum and a wife and I am a vocational trainer.
Hi, I'm Mary Lou. I'm a mom to a 2-year-old girl. I currently live in London, United Kingdom.
Hi everyone, this is Jamie. I'm a mom of 3 and I'm based in Singapore. My biggest why is that I want to spend more quality time with my 3 kids, my hubby and my family.
My name is Kylie Thao Lương in Texas, USA. I have 2 little kids and I work for the beauty industry for many years, and now I'm doing digital business.
Currently I'm doing cleaning supervisor, which is always make me tired and have no time for my daughter. That's why I decided to change my life and choose this business.
My biggest why is my family and my kids. I want to spend more time with them. I want to support my mom and dad.
I want to have more time with them, create more memory with them as they grow up. Not only that, I want to help my parents and give back to them in their golden age.
I always wanted to be in the digital space, and this digital business is very unique. It actually brings out that creativity flair out from me.
What I love about this business is the user-friendly training system that anyone can follow. Also, a huge supportive global community.
I can take it anywhere and work at any time I want, and that's the best thing while I'm working full-time. I can fit it in with my busy schedule.
But what I really love the most about this business is that it has a long-term legacy. As a parent, we all want a better future for our kids. So as for me, all the work I'll be doing throughout my life can be easily passed on to my kids after I'm gone.
This change has allowed me to live the life that I've always dreamt of, because now it allows me to have the time to be present in my children's life without sacrificing our family's budget.
What I'm most grateful for is the amount of support in this community. It's almost like we all have the same vision, striving towards the same kind of a goal.
It's this community of dreamers and action takers that I'm so grateful for. Dreamers, because we all want the best for our family. Action takers, because we all know that we need to act on what we think will get us to achieve our dreams.
Message me and I'll be happy to reach out with more info. Alrighty, thank you for watching and I hope to see you on the inside soon. Bye now.